Welcome. I'm Aurora J. Miller, and this meditation is designed to help you embrace diversity in your community, in your workplace, and in your life as a whole. Even though we know it's important to cultivate diverse perspectives and backgrounds in our social groups, it can sometimes feel challenging, which, from an evolutionary perspective, makes sense. Thousands of years ago, our survival depended on being skeptical of people who didn't share our core characteristics. But in the 21st century, our survival depends on finding ways to come together, to build empathy, and find creative solutions to the myriad problems we face. And those of us who are better able to cooperate and seek a variety of perspectives are more likely to be successful. We'll start with some breathing to help our body and mind relax. With each exhale, feeling our muscles relax a little further. Knowing that in this moment, we are totally safe and can freely explore new concepts and ideas. Often we can learn about our innate beliefs by paying attention to the response in our body when different thoughts or memories come to mind. Let's try that now as we think about how it feels to step out of our comfort zone and try new things. Like going to a restaurant and eating something unfamiliar. Taking a class in something you've never studied before. Traveling somewhere totally new. What do you notice in your body? Do you feel energized and excited at the idea? Do you feel any part of you tightening up or closing down? Remember that you get to make choices about how to handle your body's natural responses. Even if you have conditioning that tells you to resist new experiences and causes your body to react in a way that feels uncomfortable, you can choose to overcome that conditioning and embrace an adventurous outlook. It helps to take a few deep breaths so you can soothe your nervous system and remember why you're doing this. In this case, so you can reap all the benefits that embracing diversity affords you. So now let's go one step further and explore how it feels when we encounter people who are different from us. Maybe they have a different worldview or come from a different background. Maybe they look or dress or act differently. Is your first reaction to avoid them or to lean in and connect with them? Maybe see if you can learn from them. This is a judgment-free zone, so be honest with yourself. It's okay if you feel some trepidation. Like we talked about before, it's a natural evolutionary trait. But it's one that no longer serves us and we need to let go of. This is an opportunity to bring in your curiosity and creative thinking. What are some ways you can think of to help yourself feel more comfortable in connecting with people who are different from you? What might help you feel more empowered to embrace alternative ways of thinking and seeing and experiencing the world? More often than not, the solution we seek lies within us. We just might have a difficult time allowing it to surface. So if nothing is coming to mind at the moment, that's okay. Keep breathing so your body doesn't tense up, and just allow these questions to roll around your mind. How might you ensure that you seek out diverse perspectives and experiences? The good news is there isn't one solution, and your answers will change and evolve and grow with time, just as you do. But keep looking for those opportunities. You may be surprised by what they reveal. And when you want more science-based strategies for a happier life, come back to aurorajmiller.com.